Is Andrew Ng's machine learning course on Coursera still worth it in 2026? Or has it become outdated? In this video, I'll give you a quick and honest review of the updated machine learning specialization so you can decide if it's the right course for you. Before we start, quick tip. If you're planning to learn AI or data science seriously, Coursera Plus is usually the better option. You can access multiple courses and build a complete learning path instead of paying for each one separately. I've linked it below if you want to explore it. Now let's talk about the course. This is the Machine Learning Specialization by Andrew Ng, created with Stanford and DeepLearning.AI. It's one of the most popular machine learning programs on Coursera, with over 700,000 learners and an outstanding rating of around 4.9 out of 5. So yes, it's still extremely relevant. But here's the key update. This is not the old 2012 course. It's a completely redesigned version that focuses more on modern tools and practical skills. Now let's look at the structure. The specialization includes 3 courses. You start with supervised learning, then move into advanced algorithms, and finally cover unsupervised learning and real-world systems. This gives you a complete foundation. Now let's talk about what you actually learn. You'll build machine learning models using Python, NumPy, and scikit-learn. You'll also work with neural networks using TensorFlow and learn how to evaluate and improve models. The course also covers real-world topics like recommendation systems, clustering, and best practices used in industry. One of the biggest strengths of this course is teaching style. Andrew Ng explains complex concepts in a very simple and intuitive way. This makes it beginner-friendly while still being powerful. Another advantage is the balance between theory and practice. You don't just learn concepts, you actually apply them through exercises and projects. Now, let's talk about the downsides. This course is great for fundamentals, but it won't make you job-ready on its own. You'll still need to build projects and go deeper into specific areas like deep learning or data engineering. So, is it worth it in 2026? Yes, absolutely. This is still one of the best starting points for machine learning on Coursera, especially if you're new to AI and want a structured, high-quality foundation. But you should treat it as a starting point, not the final step. Now here's the smart path. Start with this course, then move into more advanced AI or data science programs. That's where Coursera Plus becomes very useful. You can continue learning without paying for each course separately. At the end of the day, your results will depend on how much you practice and apply what you learn. If you want to explore this specialization or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest reviews like this.